Welcome to our JEE Mains PYQ series. In this video, we will be solving a challenging question from the chapter Straight Lines involving coordinate geometry and properties of triangles. The question is, in an isosceles triangle ABC, the vertex A is 6, 1 and the equation of the base BC is 2x plus y equal to 4. Let the point B lie on the line x plus cy equal to 7. If alpha comma beta is the centroid of triangle ABC, then find 15 times alpha plus b is equal to. So this is the question. We will be solving this question using two different approaches. One is 2:1 ratio and the another by finding the coordinates of B and C vertices. Let's see which method is easier and more efficient. First we will go with the first method, which is using property 2:1. So what they given? They given an isosceles triangle. This is a triangle ABC. This is the centroid G. That point is alpha comma beta. And we know the A vertex, which is 6, 1. So first method is we are going to solve by a property 2:1. If you draw an altitude here, A to this point name it as capital M. If you draw this altitude, the centroid G divides the median, this AM, is 2:1 ratio. This is the centroid property. So using this property, I am going to find alpha comma beta values. That means we are going to find centroid. We consider this point as capital M. We don't know the M point. If you find the M point, using this A point, which is 6, 1, and the M point, using these 2 points and also the ratio 2:1 ratio, we can find the centroid. So that's why first I am going to find the M point. We know that the BC line, the equation is 2x plus y, that is equal to 4. How can you find the M point here? AM and BC are perpendicular, isn't it? So if they are perpendicular, their slopes also is going to be perpendicular. So if you take the product of these slopes, that is going to be -1. We know this. So let's find out the BC slope. What is the BC slope? This BC equation we can convert in the form of mx plus c. From here we can find the slope m, isn't it? So if you convert this, so y equal to -2x plus 4. So here the BC slope is -2. BC slope is -2. So what is the AM slope? Which is going to be 1/2, isn't it? So now we find the slope of AM, which is 1/2. And we know the point A, which is 6, 1. Using these two, we can find the equation of AM, isn't it? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So after solving, then we are going to get x minus 2y, that is equal to 4. From here, we can find the x equal to 4 plus 2y. This x value, if you substitute in this BC equation, then BC equation is going to be 2 times 4 plus 2y plus y, that is equal to 4. So 8 plus 4y plus y, which gives 5y, that is equal to 4. So here equal to -4/5. So we got the y point. So this y point you can substitute in the x. So 4 plus 2 times -4/5, x coordinate is 12/5. So that means the M point is 12/5 minus 4/5. We know the A point and we got the M point and we know the ratio. So using this we can find the centroid. So the ratio, this 2 times x2, which is 12/5, plus this ratio 1 times x1, which is 6, divided by 2 plus 1. The same thing you apply for the y also. So 2 times -4/5 plus 1 times 1 divided by 2 plus 1. After solving these, we are going to get the centroid as 18/5 minus 1/5. So we know alpha and beta values. So our goal is to find 15 times alpha plus beta. So now you have to do 15 times 18/5. What is beta minus y/5? We can write this as 18 minus 1/5. So which gives 17/5. After cancelling these two, so 3 times 17, which gives 51. So 15 times alpha plus beta, the value is 51. So we solve this property by using 2:1 ratio. Let's go and see the second method. In second method, what we are going to do, we are going to find the vertices of B and C. So let's draw a diagram. So what they given A point, which is 6, 1, and the BC equation is 2x plus y, that is equal to 4. And also they given the point B lie on the line x plus 3y equal to 7. So what they said, the point P lie on the line which is x plus 3y, that is equal to 7. Whenever a point lie on a line means their coordinates is in a single variable. Here if you consider y as alpha, then x is going to be 7 minus 3y. That means x coordinate is going to be 7 minus 3 alpha. So that means the B point is 7 minus 3 alpha, comma alpha. Same like that, let's observe for the C. So the given B lie on this line, x plus 3y equal to 7. And see here, BC is the base, isn't it? That means the C point lie on this equation, isn't it? Here also, whenever a point lie on a line means the coordinates should be in a single variable. Here for the B point we consider as a alpha. That's why for the C we consider as a beta. Here if we consider x as beta, then y is going to be 4 minus 2x. That means y coordinate is going to be 4 minus 2 beta. So the C point is beta comma 4 minus 2 beta. These B points you have to substitute in this BC line. 2 times x is 7 minus 3 alpha plus what we have y. So y we have to write as alpha, that is equal to 4. So after open the bracket, then we are going to get, then alpha is going to be 2. So if alpha is 2, then 7 minus 3 alpha is going to be 7 minus 6, which is 1. So the B point is 1 comma 2. What we have to do to find the C point? Now observe the given question. What they said ABC is an isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So already they given BC as a base. So if BC is base, that means these two lines are equal. That means AB, AC are equal. These two sides are equal. Here we know the A point, we know the B point. Using this, we can find the C point, isn't it? Here you have to use the distance formula. Here if you do square on both sides and apply the distance formula here, what is the A point? 6 comma 1. What is the B point? 1 comma 2. So that means this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So use the distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 1 minus 6, which is minus 5. Minus 5 whole square is 25. Here 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 square is so only 1. So 25 plus 1, which is 26. So the AB whole square, the value is 26. Just write here 26. That is equal to, here you have to do AC. AC is, now we have to consider A points as x1 y1 and C points are x2 y2 and use the distance formula. So x2 minus x1 whole square, that is beta minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 2b minus 1 whole square. 4 minus 1, which use only 3, 3 minus 2b whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, then expand it. Beta square plus 36 minus 12 beta. And here also 9 plus 4 beta square minus 12 beta. Here we can find beta as 1 and 19 over 5. So we are getting 2 beta values. Let's go and see which one is correct. If you substitute beta as 1, then our C point is going to be 1 comma 4 minus 2, which is 2. So 1 comma 2, isn't it? But observe the B point. B point also 1 comma 2. If you consider beta as 1, the C point also same as B. If B and C points are same, we cannot form a triangle. So that's why we are going to reject this beta equal to 1. Let's take another beta value, which is 19 over 5. If you consider beta as 19 over 5, then C point is going to be 19 over 5, then 4 minus 2 times 19 over 5. So then it is going to be 19 over 5 minus 18 over 5. So this is the C point. The given A vertex is 6 comma 1 and we got B point as 1 comma 2. Just now we found C point, which is 19 over 5 minus 18 over 5. Now we can easily find the centroid, which is alpha comma beta. x2 plus x1 plus x3 over 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. So after solving this, then we are going to get 54 over 5 times 3 minus 3 over 5 times 3. Here 3 gets cancelled, here 3 and this 18. After cancelling 3, 18s are 54, then we are going to left 18 over 5 minus 1 over 5. So these are the alpha and beta values. So now we know alpha and beta values, then you can easily find the 15 times alpha plus beta. So 15 times, what is alpha? 18 over 5, and beta values is minus 1 over 5. So we can write this as 1 over 5, that is going to be 15 times 17 over 5. Here gets cancelled, so then we are going to get 17 times 3 is 51. And there you have it. We solved the JEE Mains question using two approaches, the centroid property and finding B and C vertices. Both methods lead us to the same answer. I hope you found this video helpful in understand the concept of straight lines and coordinate geometry. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JEE Mains PYQ solutions.